Okay, everybody. So, welcome back. This is Ian again. It's the 31st of May, 2023. And another question came in via our card course over the long weekend about multi page cards. Ostensibly, can you build a multi page site with card? And the answer is absolutely you can. Here's one approach. This is a card within my own account, actually, an account I have with a few partners. But nonetheless, you can see it has this landing page here, and then it has these various parts, which I'll show you here. So you can click on that. Again, this is just a template. So there's really nothing being delivered here other than it's a course. That was the course part of the page. Here's the case studies part of the page. Right, this is all a single card, but it has the appearance of being, multiple pages, and it's just done via anchors. So all these are simply anchors, as you can see here, like the shop. This is all, done via simple anchors. All right, you go back here, go back to the home, and then here's a link to, outside of the website to follow on cards. So essentially, all you would do to edit these things is operate much the way you would operate a normal card. So let's go here. And let's scroll down. You just make edits to everything much the way you would anywhere else, right? So let's say this. Save it, publish the changes. And let's view the site. And as you can see, the homepage now says homepage. If we go to case studies, you'll see that image I just added there. Go to the course, 7 reasons to join us, which I just added there, etc., etc., etc. This here, I just added that link to Mindful Marketplace. If I click on that, it goes to our Mindful Marketplace blog. All right, very, very easy to do. And again, you're just editing it no different than you would edit any other card. And you can actually see all of the anchors here. That's the course. These are case studies. That's the shop. And that's it, right? So in the final disposition of things, course, case studies, shop, these are the 3 anchors, and you just make edits to the appropriate places within the template itself, and you're good to go. Okie doke, teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. As always, if you have questions, feel free to ask, and if I'm able to help, I'm happy to do so. Thanks so much. I appreciate you, and have a wonderful day. Thanks.